Okay, so here's my third my third sketch here in this series of drawing the stylized female. Um, the same process. Lay in the lay in the gesture, um, and then once I've established that, I lay my volumes on top of that. Um, Again, I'm drawing with the broad side of the pencil, um, not the tip, because I want my lines to sweep and to flow. So actually, I'm drawing with my arm now, even though just now how I was drawing with a with a finger grip, like, yeah, like here, like, it seems like I'm drawing like with my wrist, but I do that only in the cases where I need to clarify detail, and I need a little bit more control for that. Truth is, you can hold the pencil any way you want to. I mean, you could hold it like you the way you hold it when you write. But however you actually hold the pencil, you want, generally most of the time, like, you want to draw with your arm, not your fingers and your wrist. Doing that is you're gonna be noodling your drawing, like with overworked minutia, and then it starts to look overworked, or it started to look like very unconfident. And this position that she's in, which is like she's reclining, and the upper part of her torso is turned a little bit away from us, right? This is a little bit of a difficult pose. However, um, like I said, perspective is your friend. If you allow it to be, and it's just a tool, so um, don't be afraid of it. Actually, I'll be honest, I hate perspective myself, and I'm not particularly that great at it, but I understand that it's extremely important. It's extremely important. Another thing that's also a an important tool you need to make friends with is anatomy. Um, and anatomy is also going to give you the freedom, to draw more confidently, when you're not sure, like, where things should be and things like that. Um, but that being said, you should draw your anatomy. Sorry, you should draw using anatomy to help support your drawing. Your drawing should not be about the anatomy. Um, Drawings like that. Even though, like, even in like in comics, and like like superhero comics and things like that, if the anatomy is overworked, it becomes a distraction. Actually, the main thing is, like, is telling the story.